Hey there, buddy. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, April 20th. We're going to take a look here at FCEL, FCEL. And this is currently popping pretty good today off of a bullish inflection using the MQ Super Momentum down here. But also, we're trading inside of a big descending triangle. So this has been basing for quite a while. If you go out and look at the weeklies, we have a real big base we've been forming here. And we're finally starting to get some action in it. So this is a market that has run in the past, so it wouldn't surprise me to see it run again, and I wouldn't be surprised to see this head higher tomorrow. So I'm currently long based on the bullish inflection and looking for some more upside here in the coming days. So the next big resistance level I'd be watching is going to be right up around where that downtrend line is, coming across the highs, around that $9 level. So keep an eye on it. FCEL is looking good for the time being. Momentum looks strong. We had some nice call option activity coming through today. Lots of July expiration calls being bought for $9 strike. So keep an eye on it. FCEL is definitely worth watching. I do think we could see a pop here in the coming days. But that's it for today. Don't forget, if you want to join us in the trading room and catch these trades with us live, all you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. There's a link down in the description. But that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.